Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about describing things, facts. You can subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos. Let's get started. Describing things, facts. Colors: red, yellow, green, dark green, pale green, blue, purple, pink, white, gray, black, brown, orange, cream, and navy blue. And now let's talk about materials. Plastic, wood, paper, wool, leather, metal, glass, fabric, denim, adjectives: big, small, wide, narrow, deep, high, low, heavy, light, shallow, clean, dirty, hot, cold, long, loud, quiet, thin, thick, short, sharp, tight, loose, near, and far. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I really appreciate your support. If you liked this video, share it with your friends to learn English together. It's more fun and much easier. See you in the future videos.